I have blue JD Rock grips and red Barons, and then black Slam Outbreak Pro bars, a black NGV clamp, flat nose dot headset, fucked fork, zinc, rosy prize wheels with ABEC 5 bearings. I have a blue Slam deck with Slam Outbreak Pro grip tape. Shit. Then I have a brake. I don't know what brake is. Then I have Outbreak Pro back wheel with ABEC 5 bearings. And then I have a
Laser.
yeah, Blazer fucking wheel and a ABEC 5 bearing.